these poles, boys. Here we are. The fishing department's like way back here and stuff. So, yeah. Should I get some cat ears? Well, look good with these things right here. What about like, oh dude, these ones right here would be dope on me, wouldn't they? Hold on, let me look. Tell me what you guys think, right? Oh yeah, I'm on the wrong way. Like this, right? I look good like that, right? Perfect, right? I just realized. Alright. So we need a My Little Pony pole, right? That's what we wanted. We wanted a My Little Pony pole, that's one. And we wanted a PJ Masks one. Okay, we're gonna get that one. They said there was a Barbie one. I don't see the Barbie one. There's a Paw Patrol one. There is a Frozen one. This isn't like Barbie though. This is like I don't know what this is. This isn't Barbie. This is like a princess one. So I don't know. Maybe a Frozen one, huh? Because I don't see the. Somebody said that there was a Barbie one. I don't see the Barbie one. Well, I was gonna do 4, but looks like we're only doing 3. Now we gotta re-rig these things. Let's see if we can take this stupid thing apart. Because we have to re-rig this thing. Trying to see how big the spool is. I wonder how many yards they have on this thing. I'm gonna buy it with a general idea of how many yards they have for this little reel. 6 pounds, so this ought to be fun. Alright, we gotta get some braid though, because we're not gonna use freaking this garbage, you know? 300 yards for spider wire. I can probably use spider wire. I just don't know how thick this one is. Let's go with some garbage spider wire, 20 pounds. There's 300 yards. Let's see, 300 yards. I did 100 yards a reel. That should be about right, right? I did about. Yeah, 300 yards. I could do 100 yards a reel. I don't even think it'll take 100 yards for these little kid poles right here. This is gonna be fun though. Alright, let's go check. Let's go buy these, man. Alright, let's go buy them. Alright. Insert cash or. Okay. Seems like some. It's right over there, perfect. Yeah, man. There I am on camera. It's a good thing I worked at, almost scanned it twice, man. That thing wasn't even ready to be rang up. Alright. That one there. Actually, I'm supposed to throw this junk over here. There we go. Oh, I'm up to the mortar one. It's pretty good, man. I was about right on the price for it. About $60. Cool. You guys owe me now for that.
Insert cash or select payment type.
I forgot I was supposed to remove my card. Perfect. $57 on some fishing stuff, dude. Pretty good, right? Alright, we gotta go try these out at the, at the beach, dude. Whoops! Drop the spider wire. That might actually be defective. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, you guys got your freaking poles that we're gonna use at the beach. It's gonna be pretty good, man. I think we're gonna catch a lot of fish with these. All we gotta do now is take this and put it on these. So we gotta go back to the house and reline these. So that could be fun. I haven't actually lined one of these in a long time, dude. So it's gonna be fun. I'm hoping 100 yards is gonna be enough for these. I mean, we're gonna find out, that's for sure.